Good morning and happy Beauty Tip Tuesday, Bella Babes. So I'm gonna show you guys a few products to use to keep your makeup on longer, especially if you're wearing a mask all day. So stay tuned here to see how. One of the things that I like to do to keep my eyeshadow staying and also my liner, I will use the Bulletproof setting spray on my brush just to dampen it a little bit. And I will pick up some shadow and I will actually do eyeliner, like a liquid liner with wet shadow, but it also works really well underneath the eye and it doesn't smudge, which is really nice. If your makeup is sliding off, a pressed powder is a great option as well. It's gonna keep your makeup on longer. If you want a fuller coverage with it, you can use the applicator inside of here or a kabuki brush. Otherwise, I would just use a powder brush and just give a light dusting all over the face. And in my opinion, a very important step, take a setting powder and go underneath the eyes and just kind of buff it out. This is gonna stop creasing, but it's also just gonna give the under eyes a nice flawless look. Just like that. And finally, Bulletproof setting spray. So this is a matte setting spray. It's gonna keep your makeup on longer and it's gonna make your skin look more flawless, reducing pore size and all of that, and just keeping the makeup there, which is really important, especially when wearing a mask. Thanks so much for tuning in today, Bella Babes. If you guys have any questions, drop them below, or if there's anything you want to see for next week, let us know.